What baby name makes you want to punch the parents in the face? As a teacher, I regularly see names that make me cringe, though not necessarily ready to commit violence. I once had a girl named Bo Peep. Her sister Bambi was in my class the following year. I had a boy named Elohim, Hebrew for God, one year, and his brother Adonai, also Hebrew for God, the next. I was so glad that there was not a third brother, since Jehovah was the next logical name choice. I had a girl whose first name was Rice, and her middle name was Aroni. Yes, like the side dish, known as the San Francisco treat. Another young lady was Summer, which sounded great, until I saw her middle name was Eve. Yep, like the disposable feminine hygiene products. One girl was named Marriott, born 9 months to the day after her parents' wedding because that's where she was made. A direct quote from her dad. Yep, there are names. Update. I figured I should update this and let you guys know that I have a student named Jehovah this year.